In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can use the twist warp tool to twist a part similar to what you see here. Here you can see that I have an extruded shape and I want to twist this shape as it's extruded. In order to use the twist feature, I want to make sure I'm able to see datum planes because I will have to use a datum plane as my reference for the twist. The twist tool is located here on the model tab in the editing group. We have to click the editing drop down to get to the warp tool. The first step then is to select the geometry I want to warp, which is going to be this body here. Then I will choose the type of warp that I want to do. In my case, I want to do a twist. So I'll select twist. Next, I want to specify my direction. As you can see, a direction was already selected, but that's not quite what I'm wanting to do there. So I'll set that back to 0. And I will choose my direction option here. And then I'm going to specify this plane here. That will then adjust my location of my twist. And I can now click and drag the dot here to twist the part. I can go a negative direction or a positive direction. I can, of course, type in a value instead. So if I wanted a full twist of this polygon shape, I could put it in a value of 360 degrees. Then I can click OK. And I'll turn off my datum display so we can see that part a little bit better. And there we see that we have the hex shape revolved as it is being extruded. That concludes this look at the twist warp tool in Creo Parametric.